Alright, we're going to be making 3 iterations of the paper aircraft you see before you. They're going to look the same, but they're going to be folded differently, and they're going to fly differently as a result. So they all begin by folding a piece of paper right down the middle. And the more precise you are with that fold, the better off you're going to be. The first one we're going to do, we're going to keep the paper folded. We're going to turn it vertically. Oh, I guess this is horizontally. My bad. Horizontally. And we're going to fold like so. Folding tip down. So as you can see here, I folded that down like that. Apologize, I'm getting the paper airplane a little bit dirty. I've got a bit of a dirty workbench here. Then we're going to do another fold. So what we do is we're going to take the same fold, we're going to go up to the nose, and we're going to fold all the way up to the nose. Okay, I'm getting some good old motor oil mixed in with our paper there. That'll give it some extra power. Alright, and then we're going to fold it over one more time. All the way to the tip. And that gives us the first side of our airplane. Now all we have to do is flip it over, do the same thing. So I'm going to fold it down. Every single one of these folds is a triangle, and it's just folded straight to this line. I'm going to fold it again. There you go. And then one last time, trying to stay out of your way here view-wise. We go to the tip, to bend it a bit with my finger to get it started. Fold this all the way over there. And again, we're folding it down to the edge, and we go like so. And then, when we unfold, we have a dirty but complete paper airplane. Alright, so this one looks like this. And all of the folds are underneath. Again, I apologize for the motor oil, but that's going to give it extra power, I assure you. Okay, next one. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to take it. We're going to fold our paper in half. We're going to see how much motor oil we can get on it. You guys ready? I'm ready. Okay. This one, I'm going to reopen it, and I'm going to fold on the inside this time instead of on the outside. So I'm doing the same fold, but I'm doing it in a different place. And I'm going to fold it again on this side, like so. And then I'm going to close everything up like a taco. Alright? Now from here, I'm going to make my last 2 folds, just like the other one. I'm going to fold down to the edge, being careful to go all the way to the tip here, and get it nice and folded. There we go. And one more time. There we go, there we go. And voila. Okay, flip it over. I'm going to do the same thing on the back side here. I'm going to fold over. All the way to the tip, as you can see here. And then I'm going to fold over one more time. Same fold, as you can see. My hand out of the way for you there, and there you go. And now the difference between this one and the other one, as you can see, is there's a fold. That first fold we did is on the top and on the inside, but the rest of the folds are again on the bottom. Okay, so that's our second plane. Now, third plane. We're gonna fold like so in the middle once again, because we start them all the same way. We're gonna open it up. Now, we're going to do one fold here and one fold here, just like our last one. We're going to do a second fold inside this time. Here we are, and you're being very careful with the tip once more. There we go. All right. And now we fold it up like a taco. And this time, we just fold it over one last time. There we are. Flip it over. Do the same thing on the back side. Again, the tip is the trickiest part, so I like to use my fingertip to bend it a little bit, get it going. And then there we go. Okay. Like so, and like so. Okay, so now we've got 3 different airplanes, slightly dirtied by motor oil. Here we go, and here we go. Okay, so this one, all the folds are on the bottom. And as you can see, they kind of want to spring out. This one has one fold on top, 2 folds on the bottom. This one has 3 folds on the, that are folded in, and then the one fold is obviously just the fold that made the wing with, so you don't have anything on the bottom of this one. So you see the differences between these 3 iterations of plane. They're iterations because they're different versions of the same thing. So, there you have it. Now, what I want you guys to do is make these things and see how they fly.